What's going on? It's Sean. We're back at it again. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 different ways how to get over deal analysis paralysis.
Here we go!
If you are finding my channel for the first time, we're all about self-help and entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, I encourage you to subscribe. With that out of the way, let's jump right into it. Analysis by paralysis. How many times have we heard that? How many times have we felt victim to that? I know myself, many times. It's a normal feeling. We fear change. We fear the unknown. It's just how we're prehistorically wired. We have those negative thoughts because, again, back in the Stone Age, we were always looking over our backs, trying not to get killed by predators. So don't feel bad if you're suffering from this right now. This video is going to help you get over that. Now, although I'm going to give you these pieces of advice to help you get over a deal analysis paralysis for investing, you can use them in other areas of life. You're just going to have to apply them differently. So number 1 is to see the deal as a learning opportunity, specifically your first deal. My first investment property was not a home run. Did it work out in the end? Yes, but did I make $1 million on it? I didn't, and that's okay. I learned from it, and when I got the next one, I knew what I did wrong, and I applied that, and I got such a better deal. Now, take everything that you've learned from that first deal and apply it, and you're going to hit a home run. And if you don't hit a home run, I guarantee you'll still do better as long as you apply those things that you learned that you did wrong the first time around. It's like anything. Just because you fall down when you're walking as a toddler doesn't mean you're going to stop walking, right? The second thing is not to let it get emotional. Don't let the deal become attached to your heart. You're going to find things about different places that you really like and that you really want. But at the end of the day, it's all about one thing, and that's making some cashola, some simoleon, some do-re-mi, my dude. So don't let it get emotional. Be okay with walking away. That's one of the things that I did wrong the first time around. I really loved the property. I wanted this property. I saw myself living in it, and I got emotionally attached to the deal. Now, did it all work out? Yes. However, if I had walked away from that first deal, I probably could have did better, which is why I applied that in the second deal. So just piggybacking off number 1. Number 3, to overcome that deal analysis paralysis is to verify your numbers. I would run the numbers at least 3 times, and then I would check with someone else and have them run the numbers for you just to make sure you're not missing anything. So if you're looking at it multiple times and you have someone else proofread those numbers and you know that they look good, then you just got to trust and pull the trigger. And again, I know it's going to be scary, but you can't just not do anything forever. And again, if you screw something up, hey, guess what? Learning experience. And I know it's easier said than done, but trust me, it is so worth it. So number 4 is to have some sort of exit strategy. So if you want to get out of this deal, make sure you have contingencies in place. Make sure that, the resale value will be great if you decide to turn around and sell the property. Just make sure you have a way out. And that way it kind of takes the worry away. If you know that you can get out of the deal in some way, shape, or form, then you got nothing to lose. You got nothing to worry about because you can always walk away. And number 5, the last thing that you can do to escape deal analysis paralysis is get an accountability partner, someone that you're going to have to report to, someone that's going to hold you accountable and hold you to the things that you say that you want to do. And the key here is to get someone that you deeply do not want to disappoint, because how crappy are you going to feel on the inside if you have to go back to, let's say, a mentor or someone you really idolize and say, yeah, I didn't do what I said I was going to do. It's going to make you feel like crap. And it's going to hold you accountable, and you're going to do the things that you know that you need to do. Maybe that person can even be the one that looks over your numbers. So I hope you got some value out of this video. I hope that you like it. I hope that you share it. This lets YouTube know that it was a good video, and it'll push it out to more viewers, and you don't know who may need to see it. So thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.